Ready to ditch those outrageous phone bills but stuck choosing between Boost Mobile and Mint Mobile? Let's settle this once and for all. First, let's talk about price. Boost Mobile's plans can seem appealing with various options, but the fine print often reveals taxes and fees, potentially inflating your monthly cost, so make sure to read those. Now, on to Mint Mobile. They lure you in with incredibly low prices, especially for longer commitments. The catch? You gotta prepay. If you're cool committing upfront, you'll save big, especially if you sign up for the annual plan. Data speeds and coverage are crucial, so consider this. Both carriers rely on the mobile network, generally providing decent coverage, but actual speeds can vary depending on location and network congestion. Check coverage maps and read user reviews in your specific area for a real sense of speed. Finally, the verdict. If you hate commitment and want flexible month-to-month options with potentially varying costs based on fees and need a store to walk in, Boost Mobile might work. But for the best possible deal, and are fine with prepaying for several months, Mint Mobile's hard to beat for the budget-conscious user.